This is the strength of steel, your ideal high-efficiency warehouse solution. No tedious on-site welding, no lengthy construction cycles. Precision manufactured steel components are quickly hoisted and assembled. Every bolt is tightly fastened, every joint is strictly calibrated. We turn prefabricated parts into a solid, load-bearing framework in days, not months, saving time, cutting costs, and ensuring uncompromising quality. We turn prefabricated parts into a solid, load-bearing framework in days, not months, saving time, cutting costs, and ensuring uncompromising quality. Flexible internal partitions adapt to your storage, production, or logistics needs. Safe, durable, flexible, this steel structure warehouse is built to grow with your business.